wish you a Merry Christmas and a very happy holidays.
Come on, from the start, baby, together. 1, 2, 3, together.
At the Garden, the Knicks and Celtics getting ready to tip off, and this game is underway.
Right there, Kelly. Nice pass, Avery. The pass, Mark.
And the tomahawk hammer.
Whoa!
Horford will spin baseline. Crowder will try again. You bet.
Give me one in, boy. Give me one in. Wake up, then.
See, Marcus Smart, what he is, he's a winner. He brings a toughness, a competitiveness to your team.
Stay ball. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
Thomas keeps it up. 10 to shoot. Horford snakes free. Smart, the three is good. Boston back in front as Smart buries the triple. Anthony guarded by Bradley.
Give me that.
Bradley hawks it away, controlled by Boston.
Good D, boy. Good D, boy.
And the Boston Celtics take this Christmas afternoon matchup at the Garden against the Knicks.
Merry Christmas, bro. Good job. Good job. Merry Christmas.